Yeah, this is one you might probably know. I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks, and he wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight.
Bing bing bam bam.
He shot me down.